Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday, June 9th. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe. And we go. We got another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. And you guys can get one at a low cost. All you gotta do is click on the link down below. Check these guys out. TronSmart over on Amazon Prime. And take advantage of the fast shipping, and you'll get one of these. Oh boy. What is this? What is this? Alright. Here we go. We have TronSmart Bluetooth 40 watts Element Mega Bluetooth speaker. And of course the sound, if you guys want to hear what it sounds like, it will be on my Instagram page. Check that out also. And DSP technology, touch panel, ooh nice. 28 core high fidelity subwoofer. Got that bass. There we go. Let's see. Nice packaging. Definitely top quality packaging here. Nice design on the box. This will be a good Father's Day gift coming up. In case you guys haven't got nothing for them yet. Mine passed away years ago, so won't be celebrating that this year, but definitely check it out. Ooh, goes on the bottom. Boom, boom, boom. Ayo. There we go. Oh, we got the goodies down here. The USBs and the power and the manual. But we don't need no manual. Mini speakers already. USB audio jack. And yep, that's all at the bottom. Boom, TronSmart. Oh boy. Here's the bottom of it, looks like. Nice. Here's the front. Ooh, look at that. Got two and the mid. Ooh. Silky. Nice and smooth. I like it. Oh, here's the back. On, off. Ooh, look at that light up. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, we're definitely going to hear the sound on the Instagram. Test out. I like the LED glow, kind of. I don't know if you guys could tell. But there's a nice little glow to it. See, there it is. I got my lights on. But there's that. Not that heavy. Lightweight. But sure pops though. I'm sure when it's darker you can see a lot more. Definitely, maybe you can see the reflection on the table. Maybe not, nope. But there it is. See it around here. Along the white, it's like a bluish color to it. But definitely curious to see how these sound. And like I said, if you guys want to hear what they sound like, click on over to my Instagram page. Check that out. And also, I'm going to do a giveaway on one of these. Boom, 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 boom. Drop a comment below. Share the video. Give me a thumbs up. Tweet me the video. And comment down below where you're from. I'll pick one lucky winner. And have this shipped out to you. So, that's what it looks like. TronSmart giveaway. Just one speaker. Like I said, I'll probably test this out, see how this goes. But for sure, all you gotta do, easy contest. Click the link, give me a thumbs up, share the video, comment down below. And that's about it for this week on YouTube, unless I'm coming back tomorrow. But nothing has updated yet, so this will be it for today. TronSmart Amazon Prime Bluetooth speaker with all the bells and the whistles. 40 watts. Pure sound. Compatible with smartphones, tablets. Oh yeah. Really cool. Check them out, YouTubers. And good luck. I will pick the winner next time I make a video. Okie dokie. See ya.